Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Sweet Mint Concealer with an easy method. First, choose a shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone for brightening. Apply a small dot of the concealer directly onto any areas you wish to cover, such as blemishes or redness. Then, gently blend the product into your skin using your ring finger, a small brush, or a damp beauty sponge until it looks seamless. For dark circles, apply the concealer in an inverted triangle shape under your eyes, with the base along your lash line and the point extending down your cheek. This technique helps to brighten the entire area. Lightly tap the product into your skin using your finger or a sponge until it is fully blended. Remember to avoid rubbing, as this can cause the product to crease or be removed entirely. To ensure your concealer lasts all day and avoids creasing, setting it is a crucial step. Take a translucent setting powder and apply a small amount over the concealed areas using a fluffy brush or a powder puff. Gently press the powder into your skin rather than sweeping it. This helps to lock the product in place, providing a smooth, long-lasting finish that stays put for hours. For the most natural and flawless finish, always start with well-moisturized skin. This creates a smooth canvas for your concealer. Instead of applying a thick layer, build up coverage in thin layers, adding more product only where needed. This prevents a cakey appearance and ensures your skin still looks like skin. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.